You're welcome back to this training, and in this training I'm going to be this particular video I'm going to be showing you how to create an online store with Woocommerce. That is, if you want to sell physical products. I'll also show you how you can also add digital products depending on what you want to do. Okay, so here is Woocommerce. We are already at the Woocommerce page. Like I said before in the previous videos on how to create a website, you can create a website, okay, and after creating the website, maybe you have a blog and you decide to sell digital products. You don't need to create another new website to create your digital products or sell your digital products, or you want to sell physical products without your store. Okay, you can actually on that your site, you can actually create a store using Woocommerce or digital download. So we talked about digital downloads previously. Now we are going to be talking about how to create a store with Woocommerce. So Woocommerce is a free source, though there are some things you can add to it, but you can actually use it for free. Okay, so you know how to install a plugin in the previous video on how to create a WordPress website. Check for how to install plugin. I've dealt extensively with those ones on the videos and even in the ebook. Okay, so just make use of them and do what you have to do. Okay, so right now what I want to do is show you how to set up your Woocommerce. Now, having installed the plugin, this is the Woocommerce plugin, you have installed it, and like I said in Easy Digital Downloads, you also install a plugin called Paystock for Woocommerce, just as you installed Paystack for Easy Digital Downloads. You can also install Paystack for Woocommerce. Okay, I am always calling it Paystack, or Paystock is the same thing. Okay, so if you have installed Woocommerce, you also go to plugins again and click on install new and install Paystack for Woocommerce. Then when you go to the settings, you will be able to, because it will be integrated automatically because they were created for WordPress. Okay, so you'll be able to set up your Paystack account the way you will be able to set it up on Easy Digital Downloads. Alright, so here are the settings. Let's just look at the settings. We have the general settings here. Scroll down and you'll be able to see how to set up your address. Okay, your address, the address of your store. If you don't have an address, if you don't have an office address, you can just use your house address, but for security reasons, don't put any number. Okay, just say, but if you have an office, you can put it. Okay, but if you don't have an office, you can just put your house address, right? Then we have Victoria Land, the address number 2, the line 2, then city, wherever you are. If you're in Port Harcourt, if you're in Calabar, if you're in Edo, Benin City, just enter all the necessary details. Then when you come to, we are in Lagos, Nigeria, right? In Nigeria, so depending on where you are, is it Port Harcourt, you just put it. Okay, then you say your postcode. Nigeria has postcodes, not zip. Okay, so you put your search online for your the zip code within the area where you are, depending on your local government and your street. Just search online, you'll be able to see your postcode. Add it here. Okay, then selling location, sell to specific countries. If you want to be selling to only Nigeria, okay, you sell to specific countries. Okay, you choose the country you want to sell. Okay, if you are selling to if you want to be selling to other countries also, you choose sell to all countries. If you want to select, you add the countries you want to sell to. Okay, you just add them. Okay, depending on what you want. So you choose the countries. Okay, then say ship to specific countries only, depending on the country you want to ship to. If you are selling physical products, of course. Okay, but if you are not selling, you just choose it, because you can also create two products, digital and physical products. So you can just use them and choose the shipping for those that are buying physical products. Okay, So that is how you add those ones. Then you ship to a specific countries. If you want to add more countries, you can in Nicaragua, Niger, Norfolk, and the rest of them. If you want to add more, US and all that, you add it. Then you scroll down, you go down, default customer location, leave it the way it is. Then enable taxes, because when people are paying, even when you receive money to your account as it is in Nigeria, you pay money. So you also enable taxes so that people will be able to, whatever payment they make, they will be paying for the tax instead of them billing you. Then if you want to add a coupon code, you click here. If you want to create a coupon code, you click here to be able to create a coupon code and use it. But if you don't want to use a coupon code, you leave it there. Know what a coupon code is. Maybe something that you're selling for 50,000 naira, you decide to say, I'm giving 90% discount, so pay 10%. That just create any number, for the coupon, and you'll be able to use it. Then you are also going to, but for the coupon, I think if you have the coupons are but one thing about most of these free things, they won't allow you to create coupon. If you want to create a coupon, you will definitely pay for some of the services, plugins that you use to create coupon and the rest of them. Alright, so then for currency, since I'm in Nigeria, I'm using Nigeria. Depending on where you are. So if you're Nigerian, you just click on save. You change it, because I just added this. There are many other countries, the naira, the currencies. So depend on which one you want. So I decided to choose Nigeria. So the Nigerian naira is there. Then you click on save. For the general settings, you are done. All these ones is already there. You can leave it like that. The position of the currency, our currency, the decimals are always on the right. That is what they are asking when they ask you all those things. Currency position left. That is on the left. Then 1000 separator is comma now. If you want, you are writing 1001,000, comma 00. That's a kobo. Then if you are having decimal, that is that point that before the 00, so you just leave it at that. The number of decimals, just 2, it's okay. So we are done with that. Then we go over to the next, because we have many things to set up here. We now go to the products. There are many of them, but we're not going to be doing, or we just do the ones that are applicable to us. Because you want to follow everything, you'll not be able to. Just focus on what you need. The shop page, you leave it as shop, because when people come to your site, they'll be able to see the shop. Then when they click, they will now see everything is already integrated. Whatever you create, product you create on products, the product pages, when people click on shop, they will appear on the shop. So you don't need to tamper with that, just leave it. Then add to cart behavior. Redirect the cart to the cart page after successful addition. If you want them to direct to the cart page immediately, you can click on it. But if you don't want it, you just leave it like that. Then there is a button. There will be a button. But if you want it to be redirected, why you may not want to add that is that maybe if the person wants to buy 2 or 3 different products, person is about buying 2 or 3 different products, the person can decide to add more. So if you redirect to the cart page, they will not be able to add. But that could be a provision. But if you leave it here, what happens is that the cart button will be there. After you have added your products, you can click on cart. Then you will now see all the products you've added and the amount. So you can leave it the way it is, or if you decide to do a redirect, you click here and let this one be removed. That is that. Then you leave this one, image placeholder. This one is for any product where there is no image. This is what will be there, so you leave it at that. It's a default image placeholder. So that is that. Now if you have physical products, is it in kg or in grams? I think you should leave in a kg. The dimension unit, if you cm, you leave it in cm. Like if it's a chain, necklace and all that, the measurements, you'll be able to add those measurements to the products. Alright, so that is that. Then enable product reviews. You leave it like that, so that people, when they have bought, they can actually add their reviews. so that more people, when they come, oh, this product is good, I bought it and I love it, something like that. So you can leave them. Okay, then product ratings, the same thing. Okay, it's just about the reviews too. Then you click on save. Alright, that has saved. We are going to be looking at it later, but let's just talk about shipping. Okay, shipping. Let's look at shipping. You may not want to put the tax, but I will still check. We will still go to it and see what we can do there. Okay, but the shipping now, if you are selling physical products, of course you need to ship your products to the buyers. Okay, now because I'm in Nigeria, I decided to choose, say, shipping zone. Add a shipping zone. I add shipping zone for Nigerian buyers. Okay, and I want to be selling to only Nigerians. Okay, so I decided to add shipping zone as Nigeria, and Nigeria within Lagos. Okay, because if you want to accept, the people will be willing, you can write something and say, if you're outside Lagos, please, you will pay for the shipping. Okay, get your own logistics, or tell us where we can send it, something like that. But if you are within Lagos, we can deliver to you, something like that. Then I said Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, then Lagos, Nigeria. Now all these are codes, postcodes to where you want to be sending within Lagos. Okay, all these ones are within Lagos. So within Lagos, the places you can be sending to, these are the postcodes for them. Okay, so if you want to be sending to people within Lagos, that one is a bit stress-free than sending to other parts of the country. But to expand your customer base, you can do that if you want to. Then the shipping methods, is it a flat rate? Let's look at it. Is it a flat rate, or you want to choose a different method, or is it free shipping? Okay, then is it taxable and all that? Okay, so depending on what you want. Okay, if you want it to be flat rate, if you don't want it to be flat rate, you remove this, and then you decide to add shipping, another shipping method. Okay, now these are the options available. Free shipping, if you want to do free shipping, like those within Lagos, you can decide to say free shipping, and then you ship to them. Okay, within Lagos, but those outside Lagos, you tell them they will pay, something like that. Then local pickup, if the person will be willing to pick it up. Okay, you leave it, say anybody that is mine, the person should come and pick it from our own store. Okay, our physical store, and something like that. Okay, so depending on what you want, you choose. Okay, then if it's a flat rate within Lagos, you can just decide to say add shipping method. Now you can decide to say, okay, for those that are coming within Lagos, is 1,000 naira or 2,000 naira to ship it to you within Lagos, if you're in Lagos, something like that. So that is how it is. Okay, so that will be all on this. Let me just delete one of these. Okay, and then I click on save changes. Alright, so we are done with that. Now the next thing we do, if you want to add tax, but I know that is not necessary for me, but let's just look at it. Okay, if you want to add tax payment, tax options, prices entered with tax. Yes, I will enter prices inclusive of tax. No, I will enter prices exclusive of tax, depending on what you want. If you want them to pay the tax, okay, you add it. If not, you leave it this way. Okay, then calculate tax based on what? Shipping, customer shipping address. Okay, the shipping tax class based on cart items. If you want to charge them according to the products they buy, you know, like our own tax at, is it 0.7% of whatever you buy and all that, you know, you calculate it and you add it to the money, your prices and all that. So that is it. If you want to add shipping tax. Okay, but if you don't, but I don't think that is necessary for me. I don't do that. Whatever I want to sell, let me add the money and sell it and get money, you know, because all those things are stressful. All right, so now we are going to look at payments. Okay, let's look at payments, set up payments, because the essence of you selling your product is to make money. Okay, so now I want to disable this. Okay, I want to disable this. Now I'm going to show you something. They are asking you to choose whether you want a direct bank transfer. Of course, you will not want to do that. That is why we have Paystack. Because if you direct bank transfer, when the person transfer, except okay, you are selling physical product and the person send the money to you, okay, you can decide to say, okay, I have received the money, now we send your goods. Okay, but even at that, if you want to use to ease yourself of all the stress, okay, you leave all these ones and go to check payments. Of course, it's not necessary. How many people have check in Nigeria? How many people have it? It's not necessary. Then cash on delivery. Cash on delivery is only good if you are working with a logistic company. Okay, we would have deliver your goods. You register with them. They are able to deliver your goods all the time. When people request, okay, you just send it to them and they deliver it and get the money to you and bring the money for you. That is cash on delivery. If you don't want that, you click on Paystack. Okay, so you click on Paystack and click on Save Changes. Alright, sorry, before I forget, let me show you this Paystack setup. Okay, let's manage Paystack. Okay, please, you have to watch my video on how to create an account on Paystack. Okay, from there you'll be able to sign up. It's free, it's easy, it's not stressful. All you need to do is make sure you upload. After registering, you upload your ID. Okay, so this is Paystack. Now there's something I want you to know. This is very important. Please pay good attention to what I'm about to show you. Okay, in case of network problems, if you are integrating your Paystack account with any either Easy Digital Downloads or Woocommerce, you need to copy this. It said optional to avoid situations where bad network makes it impossible to verify transactions. Set your webhook URL here. So you are going to click on here, but I'm not going to click here. What I'm going to do, already I have the pages open for this account. So what I'm just going to copy this, okay, and go to the webhook. This is my other account, this one. I'm going to the webhook on Paystack and paste it. Okay, now this account we created for this transaction is still on test mode. Okay, but when you come here, when you copy that webhook, okay, this is the webhook for test secret key and test public key. Okay, this is the webhook. You paste it here to avoid network issues, not being able to confirm transactions. Save it. You know, when you're selling something online, people will complain, say, I paid money and you didn't give me my goods. You said because you did not see the money and all that. So to avoid all those problems, you save this here. That is first thing you do. Then we are going to go back. I'm going to show you another very important thing you need to do to connect your website. Okay, your website to Paystack, your store to Paystack, so that you can receive money directly from your store. Now there's something I want to see. I just hope I will be able to, okay, because we have what is called test mode on Paystack. That test mode is to test out what you are doing. Okay, say Paystack test mode is still enabled. Okay, now we've done this. Let's scroll down to do others, because enable Paystack is very important. We are enabling it because that is what we want to use to collect money online. So you click on this. It used to be like this, but you click on it, check it, so that you will be able to activate it. Okay, then title, debit, credit card, just leave it that way. Description, make payment using your debit or credit card, leave it at that. Okay, just leave it at that. Then Yeah, this is what I was talking about. Test mode. Enable test mode, because right now we have not, this account has not been verified. Okay, so it's on test mode. You cannot be allowed to change to live mode until the account is verified. So because it's not verified, like this training now, we are using it to test out this thing, so showing you how to go about it. So it's on a test mode, so we are going to enable test mode here. Okay, test mode, enable test mode. So it's on test mode now. Then payment options, redirect, leave it at that, because Paystack will, you'll be redirected to Paystack page, so leave it at redirect if you're using Paystack. Then the test secret key is this place supposed to be empty, and this place supposed to be empty. Now I was the person that just entered this. Let me show you how to go about it. So I'm going to show you how to go about it. Okay, you are going to copy this test secret key, because we are still testing it. Copy it, go back to your site, okay, and paste it here. Paste it, go back again to your Paystack account and copy another one, which is the test public key. Okay, then go back to your site and paste the test public key, paste it here. Okay, so you are done connecting it. So you just now auto complete order after payment. After order payment, no, leave it at that. Okay, remove or cancel order and restore, leave all those things, they are not necessary. Okay, then additional payment, Paystack gateways, leave it like that. Okay, then saved cards, leave it like that. Custom metadata, leave it like that, and save it. We are going to test out this one. Okay, let's see how it works. All right, so we have successfully integrated or connected our Paystack account to the store account, the Woocommerce store account. Okay, now finally, before we leave, I'm going to be okay, maybe I should leave that for now. Okay, because it's going to take more time. Let me leave it for the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.